Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase, level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to check up on Chainlink. We're going to look at on the daily chart, then we'll zoom out to the bigger picture, the weekly, see if we can tell what's target are, words are hard, what our targets are on the high and the low side, and we'll take it from there. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon for more content. Let's get right to it. So we have our move up, our explosive move. We left this level behind. So this zone, right? You can see that we just move up here, consolidation, right? We're just sideways and another step up. So what could we expect? If this 21-day doesn't hold, this yellow line, so far it seems to want to hold there, right? But if we do not hold and we go down lower, our next kind of checkpoint are these swing lows right here around $18, right? You see this kind of little area, tiny area. Maybe we don't get that to hold, but we do have our lower Bollinger Band, right? Creeping up here. At the same time, we have, let's remove these, right? We can look at our kind of our resistance zone from November to all the way to really February where we broke out, right? We can extend this all the way over. And why would we want to do that? Is a breakout often throws back what's called as a throwback, a bullish retest of the previous resistance zone. Resistance, 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 breakthrough. Oftentimes you'll come back and do a retest of that zone to make sure you're ready to go. Chainlink, is it going to be ready? Well, we'll know in the not so distant future, perhaps. We don't have to go down here, but oftentimes that's what you will see. So $17 to maybe around $16.50. If we're going to get that bullish retest, that would be like our refueling zone, and we would have plenty of, gasolina to rip again to the upside. So if you're wanting to buy more, that would be a good spot to do it on the daily chart at least. But initial hold of the 21-day seems so far so good. So zoomed way in here, right? The 21-day EMA in the yellow, right? We're holding the line. The swing lows still above that. We're still A-okay. So Bollinger Bands compressing means less volatility likely in the future. So we'll see if we can kind of maintain at least above $17. If not, we might get like a wick dip, right? Something like this, but inverse, right? Look like today's candle, but maybe a little bit lower. Certainly on the weekly, that might be a little bit more evident. Let's zoom out. So now, past 2 weeks, we've tested the top of the Bollinger Band. So on the top of the Bollinger Bands, prices are high by definition. 90% plus of your price action is going to happen within the Bollinger Bands. So anytime you get way outside of it for too long, usually going to come back in. So prices are high by definition when you're touching that top band and low by definition when you're touching the bottom band. So here's that same level we looked at on the daily, and it confirms that on the weekly. The weekly still looks kind of right in that area, right? The 21 week would be kind of our worst case scenario where you'd want to kind of pick some up. 21 week on any coin, not just Chainlink, is usually a good spot to be adding to your positions in a bull run. Beyond that, the 8 week, right? Some coins that are really bullish and ready to go, maybe Chainlink's in there, maybe it's not, right? We don't know yet. We haven't tested it, but that current price, let's see an exact number as of this week, is $17.65. You can see it up here as these numbers change. This is our EMA ribbon, right? So that's what we're looking at for this week, right? Looking to buy the dip, right? Maybe we wick down, right? Maybe we go down to $16.50, but we end up closing at like 18. That would be very bullish. You'd want to watch for that, but we'll do, more updates throughout the week, more updates on Chainlink as normal. Want to watch sell volume. If sell volume picks up as this red candle builds, then that's a warning sign. But so far we're A-okay, right? This is just like a light rain shower. We're not even thinking about tropical storms, hurricanes, tornadoes, nothing. It's just a light drizzle. A-okay, right? We've been bullish, right? Gone from $5 to $20. We're just cooling off, right? That's ebbs and flows of the bull market. No need to panic. 1920, still bullish, right? We're above all moving averages. We're at the top Bollinger Band. A-okay, right? Looking good so far. If we go down, don't get bearish. Get excited, right? If you like your coin, if you like Link at 20, you should love it at a 10% discount, 15% discount, right? You don't buy the coat at above MSRP. You buy the coat when it's on discount, right? All right. Or shorts, or flip-flops, whatever you want to buy. Sunglasses, whatever. All right, so let's get back on track and let's do our car and quote of the day. Let's get to our quote first. Let each thing you would do, say, or intend be like that of a dying person, by Senior Marcus Aurelius. He likes the senior part added in there, so I added that. All right, car of the day. Pagani Huayra, one of the most raw pieces of art in motion. It's amazing. A whole carbon fiber. The mirrors are on the hood. You have mirrors on your hood? No, Pagani does, right? The back opens like that, so it opens like a clamshell. It's pretty sweet. And then the doors open to the side, if you've never seen one. I mean, you can kind of see it here. The doors are up there, and the back is up there. The carbon roof scoop. This is just amazing. Look at this zoom we got. Pagani Raduno. Now, I don't know what that means. Maybe my Italian folks know. But here's the zoomed in version of it. Pagani Huayra. This is the owner. The multi-millionaire owner. Look at this speed here, bro. 240 top end. Okay. 0 to 60, 2.9. V12. Amazing. There you go. So let's zoom back out and take one final look. This kid is way too close. Smack him. All right. If I zoom in here, you can see me, my reflection right there. And oh, look, there's your mom.